everybody. My daughter Maddie is behind the camera now, but she might come in front of it. She is going to help with our caterpillar or bug hunt today. So we're going to go out in the backyard. And we're going to start looking. Here's Maddie. She's going to come swimming with us if we get to go back to school this summer. Okay, we are looking for caterpillars or some bugs that we've been talking about. Oh, and here Maddie's holding up a tool that you can use. It's called a magnifying glass. When you look through it, things appear bigger. So, we might be using this to see if we see any bugs or caterpillars. So, let's see. Let's check over here. This is a rose bush. And what color are those? Yeah, these are yellow roses. Let's see if we see any bugs on, or a caterpillar. Let's see. Do you see any? I don't see any. Here's a pink geranium. That's pink. Is there any on there? I don't see any on the pink geraniums. Let's check over here on the vine roses. If we can see any. Let's see here. Do you see any? I think I just saw a little tiny bee, but it went away. It flew away. Okay. Let's try. Let's try over here. Maddie, do you see any bugs or any caterpillars? No. Okay. Well, I know that insects, that would be bugs, like water. So let's check over here by my waterfall. Let's see. I think I see some bumblebees. Okay, let's see if I can get close to them and not scare them away. You see them flying around down there? Can you see that? Oh, there they are. There's some bumblebees. See, oh. Do you see any caterpillars? No, I don't see any caterpillars. How about we walk over to this side of the yard and let's check some of these trees over here. If we see any on the trees. Do you see any? Those are tree pods, so those aren't a cocoon. Here, let's use our magnifying glass and see. Ooh, no. We talked about ladybugs last week, and I don't see any ladybugs out here either today. Think the bugs are scared of us? Are the caterpillars scared of you? All right, let's see. Let's see if we can find any, maybe on some of the vegetable plants. Let's go look back here. I know Noah has done some things in his garden, so maybe he can go out and see if he can find any bugs or any caterpillars out there.
There's a lizard.
There's a lizard out here. Where's our lizard?
It's back here. Just walk away. Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, I see the lizard. Let me see if I can get him on camera. He's really fast. I don't think you probably already saw him. He went in the bushes. My turtles haven't been out, so I can't show you my turtles. They've been hiding. All right, let's see. Here's some tomato plants. Do we see anything on the tomato plants? No, I don't see any bugs. Or caterpillars. Oh, there's a fly. Do you see him? He just flew off. least if I can get close to them and not scare them. Oh, there's a fly. What would be barking? That's a dog back there. That's Boudreaux. He's barking. Oh, here's our peach tree. Let's see if we see anything on our peach tree. Let's see. There's a tiny little peach right there. Do we see any caterpillars or bugs? Oh, I see, here's some ants. Do you see the ant in the anthill? There's the ants crawling around, but still no caterpillars, huh? We can check these roses. What color are they? Yeah, there's a pink again. Some pink roses again. I just don't see any. Let's try on this. What color flower is this one? Yellow. Don't see any. No. Have you found any, Maddie?
There's a lizard like this long.
Where is he at?
He's somewhere in this bush right here. You scared him.
Oh.
Oh, look. He's right back there.
Let me see. Oh, he is big. Let's see if I can. I don't know if I can catch a lizard on here or not, or the kids can see it. I don't know if I have him on. He blends in so well. I don't know. Oh, and he's gone. He already left. And I don't see any butterflies. Sometimes I have butterflies in my yard. They're just not out today. So, Maddie, what do you think we should do? You're not sure what we should do? How about I buy some caterpillars? What do you think, Maddie?
I think that's smart.
Okay, so what I will do is I'll buy some caterpillars and we can watch them grow and go into the cocoon and then come out and be real butterflies. I think that sounds like a good idea. I'll get those ordered and hopefully next week we can start doing some things with our caterpillars. Now what I want you to do is you to go outside, see if you can find any caterpillars, ladybugs, or bugs in your backyard, or if you go on a walk with your mom and dad or brothers or sisters, and have fun. I will see you later. Bye.